today we are starting our day at the Ihwa village. But
Yeah.
on our way there, we actually stumbled across a market which we stopped by, and Tams has got some information on a little bit about why we actually came to this area.
So we're on our way to Ihwa village. The new shed was actually going to be demolished, the whole area, because they said it was a poor area. But then the Cultural, Sports and Tourism Center revamped it and now converted it into a artistic mural spot and revived it, and now it's a tourist hub for us to enjoy, and it's apparently stunning what they've done there. So we want to go check it out. We have just made it to Ihwa Mural Village, and now we're going to wander the streets and search for all the murals.
We've just finished walking around Ihwa Mural Village. It's really cool, really awesome murals. Just be prepared that there's a lot of stairs.
A lot.
So now we're off to Common Ground to go check that out. Apparently that's a really hip and happening place.
We have made it to Common Ground, and the vibe is absolutely epic. They're like have a DJ and they have stalls, but commonly during the day there is just the containers as well as little markets inside. So there's food and goods to buy. So this place is really epic, really hot, really hip, and really happening. So it's definitely the place to be if you're good for student vibes.
Common Ground is really cool. We've just walked around and this place is filled with really cool cafes and really unique fashion pieces. So if you guys are looking to get unique clothes, this is a place to come to.
Not been to Korea unless you have tried their crispy chicken. So today we are trying out one of the chicken and beer places where you can typically find crispy chicken, and we're going to BHC. We ordered what was best on the menu, and that is crispy chicken topped with cheese and vegetable seasoning. It was recommended as the best, so we're going to give it a try. The chicken is very tender. The outside is crispy. It's not as crispy as I expected it, but it's still got a nice crisp to it. It's like a light crisp. And then the chicken is so moist and so tender. It kind of reminds me of like KFC chicken pops with like the flavoring toppings on top. It's really delicious.
Well, that was the best chicken ever.
Definitely. I know I said it wasn't crispy, but that first bite wasn't, but the second and third onwards was really good. The flavoring was absolutely phenomenal. It was definitely worth the buy. We forgot to say how much it is. It's around 18,500 won depending on the flavor, but that's how much ours cost, and it's about 15 to 16 USD. night is forever young in this district. From Common Ground, we stepped out, we found BHC, and now we hit the streets, and it's like beautiful, fun, bright, lively. There's lights everywhere. This is definitely where all the youth are hanging out. So it is exciting here.
There's a lot of shops and cafes here. So it's a really cool place to walk around. If you actually come to Common Ground and you're not sure what else to do afterwards, there is quite a lot to do around this area.
So we have finished exploring all the streets, and it's absolutely cool, epic and fun, but we're gonna call it for a night. So we'll see you next time. We are currently seated in Seoul, and we ordered some shaved ice with some toppings. I have no idea what I just ordered. The picture looked absolutely divine. So now we're waiting. I can't wait to try it out. The one that we ordered was 8,900 won, which is about $7 US. And then at various different toppings, those can go all the way up to 12,500 won. It tastes like powdered peanuts chopped with margie, so it's like glutinous rice balls and little almond flakes with this ice called shaved ice. It's really delicious. Oh word, this is such an unusual texture because the powder is like really dry and then the ice is like cold and then it melts and it's just like